Welcome to ClubExpress. We make it easy to create, manage, and sustain your club or association. In this demo, learn how to use ClubExpress to add a volunteering opportunity so that your members can sign up to volunteer. Let's get started. First, go to the Control panel. Then, in the People tab, choose Volunteering. From the Volunteering Administration page, choose the Add Volunteering Opportunity button to add a new volunteering opportunity. If the button is grayed out, you'll need to add volunteering and slot categories first. See Adding Volunteering and Slot Categories for instructions on how to do that. Complete each field of the Add Edit Volunteering Opportunity form to build your sign-up, including its location, contact person, and automated reminder notifications. Choose the Save button to save your changes. Now, you're ready to return to the Volunteering Administration page to add slots. See you in the next video.